I'm Dr. Khurana speaking from Bathinda. She started a course from 7th to 17th where she and her team of dedicated workers put lots and lots of efforts to raise us to a new platform where the documentation and every aspect of the hospital, starting from the doorman to the chairman, has been discussed.
Myself, Dr. A.K. Khurana, Professor, Department of Ophthalmology, SGT Medical College, Gurugram. Recently, I got an opportunity to attend an online course on eye health care. This was meant for accreditation of the NABH and WASH, that is Workplace Assessment for Safety and Hygiene. This course was organized by a dedicated team from Eye for Quality, headed by Dr. Samina Zamindar from Bengaluru. I found this course extremely useful, not only for the purpose of NABH accreditation, but also for overall improving the eye health care delivery, practice management and efficient management of medical legal cases. This course was an eye-opener for me. I strongly recommend that each and every medical professional must attend this course to learn the real art of safe and quality services.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Veena Borse, an anesthesiologist and also the admin director of Insight Eye Clinic at Matunga in Mumbai. And I recently did this workshop on NABH training by Eye for Quality. A very informative workshop conducted by Dr. Samina Zamindar, Dr. Pragya Shriram, Dr. Jalpa Vashi, Dr. Gagan Dudeja and Mrs. Vinita Raju. It really tells you how you can go about your practice in a very systematic way. It streamlines your practice and it really cuts down the areas of error. This workshop was so interactive, it was online and we were given assignments too, so I felt I was back in school. But it was a fun-filled 10 days with a lot of information and a lot of interaction among all the participants.
I'm Dr. Vinita Sharma from Kirtipur Eye Hospital in Kathmandu, Nepal. I was involved in an online course on implementation of entry-level NABH standards. This was an excellent opportunity, excellent platform to interact with amazing faculty. We had interactive session with pioneers from all over India and also from Bangladesh, and we learned a lot from each other. From this course, I came to identify the lacunae in our system, and not only did it help me to identify the lacunae, but also to come up with resourceful ideas and standard protocols to create a patient-friendly as well as an employee-friendly environment in my hospital.
My name is Dr. Jaideep Balinchkar and I am a senior vitreoretina consultant at Aditya Jyot Eye Hospital, Mumbai, and a former consultant at Shankar Nethralaya, Chennai. I recently happened to attend a very interesting and innovative course called Eye for Quality, which included accreditation standards for NABH as well as safety protocols for WASH certification. And this program luckily was conducted online in this session because of the COVID times. As I joined this course and went through each session, I realized that there is so much to learn as far as the safety and the quality of eye care or healthcare is concerned. And there are so many things which we take for granted in our day-to-day practice, but there is a lot to learn and to implement in our practices.
Dr. A.J. Ansari. I'm a dermatologist, cosmetologist. I know now where I should go and how I should continue the search of the knowledge that I was taught and I started 10 days ago. It was so lovely to see that everybody with so much of knowledge, with so much of love, so much of care, sharing all the information with all of us.
Hello, this is Dr. Hemlata, Assistant Professor from Minto Eye Hospital. As a clinician, we all concentrate on the surgeries and treatment of the patients, but for an overall growth of organization and a hospital, it's important to know about the documentation and the management part as well.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Alpa Atulpuramya, a Senior Refractive, Cornea and Cataract Consultant at Apollo Spectra, Hyderabad. Looking at our current pandemic scenario, we now need to focus on health, hygiene and safety of our employees, our customers and public at large. This training not only helps us to understand the standards but also makes you confident to implement in your practice to make it safe.
Dr. Rita Gangwani, a medical retina consultant at Ahmedabad Eye Laser Hospital in Ahmedabad. Previously, I have worked in Hong Kong for 19 years. I think we have been educated a lot on every minute detail of quality healthcare.
I, Dr. Sapna Wadhwani, anesthetist from Aditya Jyot Eye Hospital. The faculty was amazing. They were very well read, full of knowledge and information and willing to share with all of us. I would highly recommend this course to all healthcare workers involved in hospital management, in the admin and quality control of small healthcare organizations and nursing homes. It was a truly enlightening seminar and workshop.
Hello, I'm Dr. Himani Manglik. I have recently completed my MBBS and I'm about to start residency in ophthalmology. I recently attended and successfully completed an online workshop, Eye for Quality, which is on implementation of accreditation standards for hospitals and structured safety protocols for practice in COVID pandemic. This was a 10-day highly interactive workshop. I would recommend that all graduates and PG residents attend this workshop as we learn a lot about smooth and effective working of a hospital and our role in it. To name a few, we learn about care of patients and management of medications, topics that are not covered in our academic syllabus, but enable us to provide quality healthcare from the beginning, along with deep insight into working and management of an independent setup that we may have in future. You get to interact with many experts in different fields of medicine and learn alongside them. I would like to thank Dr. Zamindar and her Eye for Quality team for this wonderful learning experience.